Today, guys, I am here live at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Today, we are here to declare, guys, I'm not leaving until the Bitcoin ETF is approved, period. Welcome to Armstrong Crypto. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Today, guys, I am here live at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to protest their very existence. The fact that I'm even able to do this video, honestly, disgusts me. We need to defund the SEC. This is my long-term battle. But today, we are here to declare, guys, I'm not leaving until the Bitcoin ETF is approved. You know, many men have tried before to do what I'm trying to accomplish here. And the fact is, when this ETF gets approved, because I'm here and they're going to be annoyed with me, you guys are all going to come to respect me and know that this is really going to be my Mount Rushmore moment in crypto. When this Bitcoin ETF is approved. Tomorrow, we're going to be taking a tour of the SEC. I've discovered a lot of really cool things that I want to show you guys. So tomorrow, certainly, if people want to come out and support the protest, then they can do that. But right now, I'm okay being a man on fire by myself for crypto. Nobody else will step up and do it. So here I am, out here, outside the SEC. How's it going? People believe in the dream. Believe in the dream. What's up? Hey, we got another fan. I have discovered an undisclosed location here at the SEC. A lot of people don't know about. It's the equivalent to a secret lab. And there is a chance that if conditions are right and things cooperate correctly, I may be able to take you to that undisclosed location tomorrow. But today, we're here staying strong on the message. I'm not leaving until, and just so everybody knows, when we say we want supporters to come, we want them to come tomorrow. We don't want them to show up in a few hours to come support me while I'll be here the entire time. I definitely won't be moving at all. So I'll be here definitely, but I just need some alone time, guys. So don't show up a couple hours looking for me, but tomorrow around the same time, certainly I would be open. I'd still be here. I'll be camping out overnight as well, but certainly don't come looking for me.
Oh, that's good. Hey, really quick, just so you know, for peace of mind, if that helps you with any context, 45,307. Let me just hit refresh. Yeah, 45,307. That's the Bitcoin price right now.
All right, let's go, guys. The price of Bitcoin has gone up about $300 since I've been out here, and I think this is indicative of my commitment to changing things forever with this Bitcoin ETF and the Bitcoin price. Why? So you guys can find financial freedom, and we can fight together and defund the SEC. Bitcoin's about adoption, guys, and that's what this channel is about. You're gonna make money. Listen, if you watch this channel, you are going to make money. No, not non-financial advice. I got a great non-financial advice disclaimer coming for y'all. Y'all are gonna love. But the point is that you know, if you watch this channel and you're into crypto, I can't guarantee anything, of course, but I will tell you that you're going to probably make money. I'm gonna make a lot of money. We're all gonna make a lot of money. It's gonna be fantastic. But if you really want to catch the vision and you want to be somebody that actually gets in this, because I know at this point, a lot of you just jumped in or salivating to get more involved in crypto, we're going to show you how you do it, because the philosophies that underline what we're doing and the pressure that we put on the authorities to try to push us down all the time, the man, if you will, that's what this is about. And when you get those ideals inside of you, you really believe in this stuff, you get to be a person like me. What I do is because of how much I believe in crypto, if you don't know that. Yes, sir? What's up, bro? Yeah. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving until the Bitcoin ETF is approved. That's my guy up there. Do we mention stake? How could we come to the SEC and not mention our channel sponsor, Stake? We love the social casino for sure. And here in Washington, D.C., you can say it's a bit of a political casino out here, in a sense. And it's a place where you get to come, you get to talk to people, and you get to have fun, you get to play games. It's just like Washington, D.C., when you think about it. So you guys make sure to check out the QR code and go check out the link down below in the description. And also, I tested a thing where we tried to put links on the screen. That did not work, but you guys do have a QR code. So appreciate that, guys. And there we go. Guys, why am I here? I'm here because nobody else has been able to get this done. And the fact is now there literally is not an excuse for the SEC to use. The final filings for the ETFs are completely done. There's not another thing that needs to happen. Also, major exchanges, not crypto exchanges, stock exchanges, are already listing and preparing to list these ETFs. Everyone knows that now that I'm here, it's getting approved. And that's why they did all that stuff over the weekend. I believe that if it's not done today, it's only because Gary may be sick. He'll be in tomorrow to approve it. He's got to be sick over having to approve this thing, especially once he finds out I'm here. He's definitely going to be warfing in the bathroom. I made that word up. It's a combination between wheezing and barfing. That's kind of what I think he'll be doing.
the anxiety barf, yeah.
The anxiety barf, yeah.
Jamie Gonzalez through your super chat said, "Buy Gary lunch." So.
Oh God, this is such a conflict of interest now. Oh my gosh.
Well,
not only did he send money, but he sent money for me to attempt to bribe Gary Gensler, and I will not do that.
He sent you $2. Gary. He sent you $2, so you could probably pick up an apple or a banana from the gift shop with that. And so that's really not considered a bribe. I think that would just be a gesture.
Well, I mean, the fact is you can't defund them and then not feed them. So that $2 can go a long ways. And if you guys have seen Gary's arms, you guys certainly know that, a one banana would definitely be enough for sustenance for that monkey. There's another important message. Because certainly while we're going to be doing this, and then we're going to bait and switch and we're going to tell them we want them closed, we certainly understand they're probably not closing until after I leave. Because if they closed while I was here, that would be too big of a win for me, and they don't want that. So what's going to be happening here is once they approve this, we're not going to be able to get the SEC defunded until at least after the halving, probably. And so what we want is the next narrative that we're going to be talking about is going to be the Ethereum ETF, guys. The Ethereum ETF is a real thing. It's coming, and I've been told, and now I'm getting from multiple sources, this thing could be coming much faster than we believe. It could almost be a done deal already.
All right. With that being said, man, hey, enjoy the rest of your day there on the picket lines, on the front line, pounding the pavement there.
Fighting, not leaving.
Fight for the people.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, man. We'll have a great rest of your day, and we'll check back in with you later.
All right, guys, let's go. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Stay here.